Have you ever thought, what's really new in One UI 8? Is it just One UI 7 with a new name? Or is there actually something worth getting excited about? Well, Samsung just skipped One UI 7.1 and 7.1.1 completely and jumped straight to One UI 8. And trust me, they did that for a reason. Let's break down three major differences between One UI 8 and One UI 7 that actually matter in a simple way that anyone can understand. User interface, smoother and cleaner than before. One UI 8 brings small but noticeable design changes. The quick panel now has clean borders, giving everything a sharper look, kind of like a frosted glass effect. Animations? Way smoother. Opening apps, switching between screens, it all just feels faster and more polished. You also get a new split screen option, 90-10 layout. That means you can shrink one app to a tiny sidebar while focusing fully on the other. One UI 7 never had this level of control. Oh, and the Now bar is smarter now. It shows live alerts for calls and DND mode status in real time. Customization. Make it your own even more than before. One UI 8 is all about personal vibes. Samsung is testing a cool new clock style with a fresh font that changes depending on your wallpaper. It's not public yet, but it's coming. You can now use AI Select to turn your screenshots into wallpapers. Just one tap and boom, it's your new background. Super cool and super fast. Even Samsung Internet gets more freedom. You can tweak the menu layout just how you like it. And in modes and routines, there are new ready-made presets to help you automate things more easily. Plus, the Reminder app, you can now hide or show categories. A small change, but it really makes things cleaner and easier to use compared to One UI 7. App experience, smarter, simpler, and more fun. One UI 8 brings fresh designs to your favorite Samsung apps. Quick Share now opens in full screen with previews and a cleaner send screen. Makes sharing files way easier. My Files now lets you sort recent files by app. No more digging through clutter to find that one screenshot. Samsung Reminder and Calendar now work better together. You can add tasks with your voice, drag and drop them, and even get title suggestions. One UI 7 didn't have any of that. And yes, Samsung Health is smarter too. It reminds you to log meals and shows running challenges to keep you motivated. One UI 8 isn't a complete makeover, but it's definitely a smart and focused upgrade that improves the way you use your phone every day. From design to features to app power, Samsung has taken the best parts of One UI 7 and made them better. If you're excited for One UI 8, hit that like button. Still using One UI 7? Tell me in the comments, which feature are you waiting for the most? And don't forget to subscribe for more Samsung tips, updates, and hidden features, because we're just getting started.